Welcome back. Okay, so this time I actually mean it. I'm not going to show my face while I record this. So we're going to talk about two more components of fitness today. The first one is muscular endurance. So the definition for muscular endurance is the ability of the muscles to resist fatigue while exerting an amount of force. It is a measure of how long a muscle can withstand a prolonged contraction or many repeated contractions. So it's basically working the muscle to the point of exhaustion. Training for muscular endurance requires you to perform many repetitions at a lower weight than you would use for muscular strength. So an example of that may be if someone wanted to work on muscular endurance, they might lift 50 pounds they might do 5 reps of 50 pounds or 5 sets of 10 reps of 50 pounds. How to measure it, the sit-up test, the push-up test, and wall squats, and as well as the plank test. How to train it. If you wanted to incorporate this into your personal fitness plan, you could do walking, running, cycling, sit-ups, push-ups, pull-ups, squats, lunges, and more. Usually, if you want to train it, it's movement specific per sport, meaning you would train specific movements for specific sports or activities. And then some exercises or sports, for examples, are push-ups, pull-ups, and sit-ups, all performed to the point of fatigue. And then the 7th component of fitness that we're going to talk about is muscular strength. The definition of this is the ability of a muscular unit or combination of muscular units to apply force in a single contraction. Muscles can be strengthened by focusing on lifting more weights and fewer repetitions. So for this, it's going to be the opposite of muscular endurance. So you might lift 100 pounds and you might do 3 sets, 5 reps apiece. Muscular strength is the maximum force a muscle can produce in a single contraction, also known as the 1 rep max. You should try to incorporate at least 2 days of strength training per week when you create your personal fitness plan. And how you're going to measure this is by performing the push-up test. How you can train this, if you want to include additional types of muscular strength training in your fitness plan, is by lifting weights, working with resistance bands, climbing stairs, hill walking, hiking, cycling, dancing, doing push-ups, sit-ups, squats, yoga, as well as deadlift, which is what this gentleman over here is doing. Some exercises and sport examples, bench press, leg press, bicep curl, and loaded squats. All right, so now it is time to head back to your HyperDoc to see what your activities are for today.